5 easy plumbing tips everyone should know. 1. Don't pour grease or oil down the drain. They will build up. You won't notice it at first, but little by little it will clog your pipes and leave you with some serious plumbing problems. 2. Only 2 things can be flushed: toilet paper and bodily waste. 3. Although a leak typically drips at a very slow pace, over an extended amount of time, this will cost you a lot of money, and can get worse the longer it is left. 4. Over-tightening fittings and connections in your plumbing can cause you more issues in the long run. To avoid broken bolts and stripped screws, make sure it's tight, but be careful to not over-tighten. 5. Foods like coffee grounds, butter, and potatoes are all things that should not be going down your drain. These can clog your drain completely.